Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at how to close paths. Let's just have a quick intro here. Well, today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we upload videos daily. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, now let's say you've created some path or some path, and you want to close it so you can actually add a fill color. Because right now, if we select this path, go to our fill and stroke panel, and you can see we actually have a fill color here. Set it to red, but it's not registering on the actual mat, and that's because our path is not closed. So in order to close it, there's two ways we can do that. We can either navigate to the top here to path, and we go down all the way to close path, or what we can do, which I find a bit more simple and quick, is you just right click, then we navigate to path, and then we say close path. Now once we've selected that, you'll see it closes our path, and now we can actually see the full color. Now we have another video, I'll link it in the description, how you can actually split paths, or rather open paths again. And then so if you wanted to do that, if you want to take a shape and you open the path, you can also do that. And we just go to a new page. This close path also is handy if you're using something like a pencil tool. And let's say you create some shape. Not pretty as hard. And even if you try your hardest to get that little center, you'll see it's still a closed path. So then what you can do is you can, like I said, right click, go to path, and go close path. Now under the color, we can actually set a color. And yeah. Here you go. Ugly as hard I've seen. Otherwise, if you guys head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys can find this video and more videos like it. You can see we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also, if you want to isolate your search, it is here on the top right. And then if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always request a training video, and then we will make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.